just no fun.
Princess on the steeple, all you pretty people, you all drinking, thinking that you got it made. Exchanging all your precious gifts, well, you better take your diamond ring and you better pawn it, babe. You used to be so amused, and Napoleon and rags and the language out of years. Go to him now, you can't refuse. When you got nothing to lose. You're invisible now, you got no secrets. Ha!
Hey,
To conceal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be on your own? No direction, of freedom now, like a rolling stone.
All new metal all around the bottom and everything.
Yeah.
This is all new back here. And
You've done a great job. I mean, it looks so nice. I love the color.
yeah.
That is so cool.
You guys see when it's bright sunny out here, how bright it gets.
Well, looked pretty good there when the sun was out. It is such a nice car. I love the shape of it, and with the
Yeah,
lowered
it's got a
roof,
lot
that
of
looks
curves
awesome.
to it.
Oh yeah, it's great. And even the back seat, that's cool. Not a lot of room for leg room. I suppose that's not why you made it though.
No.
Yeah, you could put a little person in there.
I can sit back. Me just trying to get back.
Well, thank you very much. Your name is?
Don.
Don, I'm
Don
Kevin.
Thompson.
Yeah. Well, nice to meet you, Don. Yeah, that's what a nice car.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
I You want to tell me about your car?
So it's 1952
Yeah.
Willys Jeep,
Yeah.
very same as World War II.
No kidding.
So World War II, they had one battery because there were 6 wheels.
Right.
And then the axe and shovel were on this side, but the drivers never put them on because you used to get their pant legs cut.
Okay.
So for Korea, they restarted again, got the contract again, and then they were re-awarded. Now this one was built by Ford in Windsor.
Okay.
It's a Willys design, same as W2. And 2 batteries, one there for the radio communications, because
Cool.
they needed that for comms, you know,
Yeah.
to convoy duties or to the command
So
post.
did you restore this car, or was
It was
it?
mostly restored. I did a few things to it, type of thing.
Yeah.
And then the radio I had to put in C42.
Wow.
Now, in World War II, they didn't have radios in the Jeep because there were 19 sets, and they were this
Yeah, they're
big.
huge. I know.
Huge.
Yeah.
So C42 is half that size. Now the radios are like
Yeah.
a handful.
Well, I've got my You find something to eat, Andy? Did you get the bacon? I got the burger too. That was good. With the bacon on it?
No, just the plain burger.
Oh, I got the
Then
burger.
you have all kinds of like tomato and ketchup.
Oh, they had everything.
Oh, you still going?
Oh, I won't stop.
Just see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Just see if I like it.
Oh, cool. I kind of like the lack of, you know, the rain gutter thing. I like that. Not original.
Who owns this beast?
Me.
What a nice car.
Oh, thanks, man.
This used to be a coupe.
Oh, did it?
Yes.
Well, I've seen that's sort of become a bit of a thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So tell me about your car.
Well, it's a '68 Mustang. I've had it for 8 years. Been working on it. Actually, this guy here is the one that did all the body on. Not the body, but put the panels on. The conversion and all that sort of thing. And then
So how long did it take to do that? To change it from a coupe to a...
It's a good question. I've done it a couple times now. You get faster at it as
Yeah.
you start to understand what has to happen and what you don't think about when you start the job.
Right.
So thinking it through from the beginning is the key.
Yeah.
And this was an original fastback roof that's on the car. So we had all that all in one piece, which gave us fitment to know it's in the right spot. Checking the windows to make sure they're in the right spot, because that's a big thing everybody misses.
Right.
And the windows don't work.
Right.
So, I mean, it's involved. Spent more time just overthinking it as opposed to just doing it.
Right. So, like, did it take a year, 2 years to do this job,
It
or?
was just over a year, I think, before we had all the chassis
Yeah.
and metal work done on
yeah,
it.
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah.
Wow, it's really nice. At first I wondered if it was an Eleanor, and then
Yeah.
no, it's not an Eleanor.
No, it's just low, and kind of the theme of the car is just like OEM plus sort of thing. So I have a different engine, 71 Boss 351 in it.
Oh,
so
nice.
It's about 550 horsepower, and then 5-speed. Modified the suspension to be more modern. It's factory, all the factory pieces, but they're just modified so they work a lot better. And it has huge brakes. It has Porsche brakes on it.
Oh, wow.
The plan was to take it to Germany in the Autobahn, and there you need massive brakes, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, you don't really need that kind of brakes for Canada. But,
Would you go on the loop,
Oh, the Nürburgring.
Nürburgring?
Yeah. Well, I know. I think I'd have to have a roll bar for that. That's,
I don't think you do. You can take anything in there.
yeah, I know. I'd want to have one though.
Yeah. Well, you just wouldn't go that fast.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Isn't that something? Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Can you open the door for me? I'd like to see the inside.
So the interior's not 100%.
That doesn't matter.
But,
It's your car.
it's a work in progress.
Yeah, you know what? They all are. I've come to realize.
They're never done.
They're never done. Well, you can call that not done if you want, but that looks pretty darn good. Wow. Wow. I bet you she's a real go faster when she goes.
Oh yeah, it goes good.
I'll bet you.
The other challenge on these builds is getting all these gaps correct, because even the factory didn't have these gaps
Yeah.
properly, you know.
I just talked to a hot rod builder, and he talked about that with older cars. He said, you know, those older cars are so hard to get the gaps right when you redo them.
And when you spend the time, like this one came out pretty good, but there's a lot of fooling around and cutting and welding and all that to get her to fit, but it fit well.
So that's a 351
That Cleveland.
Cleveland. So the big one.
So it's a Boss 351, and this is basically a Gen 1 NASCAR engine.
Wow.
So this is what they used in the early 70s, and then to the C3, the C4, and to what we have now. But those are the heads that really made it happen. They're huge valves, huge ports, and even completely stock with the right cam headers, carburetor, these things can produce over 600 horsepower with ease.
Wow. Wow.
And that's as a 50-year-old engine.
So have you ever had this thing dynoed?
Not yet.
What do you figure you got?
550.
Wow.
The engine builder said, yeah, easily 550.
Wow.
Easy.
In this light little car, you could go full Mustang on that.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's fun. I had all of them in it with only going to 4,000 RPM, and it was like, it pulls pretty hard.
Well, thanks for joining me today at the Belwood Lake Car Club Car Show. It was a great event. A lot of people, a lot of cars, over 400 cars. If you liked this video, then you should check the video that's on the screen right now.